If your reels have been looking like this, and you just can't seem to crack the code to get them looking like this, or if you haven't started posting reels yet because you just don't really know where to begin, the Reels Growth Starter Pack I'm sharing right now is going to help you. Now, I can't take all the credit. Facebook released a Reels Starter Pack over a year ago, but that was over a year ago. So I'm going to build on what they have and include some relevant tips that you need to know now. It breaks down into 3 main parts, so let's dive right in. Part number 1 is learning how to create a reel. A good reel. There are 2 ways to go about publishing reels. You can upload an already edited video, or you can make one from scratch using the Instagram or Facebook app and its creative tools. I have a full guide on learning how to use Facebook Reels that's helped over 250,000 people so far and counting. And I have another video teaching you how to create Instagram Reels. The interface for both Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels look a little different now since I made those videos, but the same general principles and how-tos still apply. So I'll link those below. They each give you a step-by-step screen share tutorial on how to create a reel. Now, just because you know how to upload a reel doesn't mean you want to just upload anything. You want to have a plan to create a great reel, a plan rooted in historical data. Facebook said, before you create a reel, make sure to develop a creative plan. That's what I said. To align your content with your business. Save reels that you find interesting or want to recreate from your business's perspective, and monitor any cultural moments, trending topics, or themes as you watch reels. Use reels to build valuable relationships with your community and participate in on-trend moments that highlight what makes your business unique. As you share creative and engaging reels on Instagram, you can get discovered by new people in the Reels tab and the Explore tab. And I'll add to that with Facebook, you can get discovered by new people on Facebook Watch as well. Now, I've said before on our channel that the best way to really understand reels and to get in on the trends with your business account is to do some scrolling in your personal time. Facebook kind of echoed that sentiment there when they said to save reels that you want to recreate from your business's perspective. But if you need some help getting the creative juices flowing, I list out 15 short video ideas here with examples, so I'll link this video below too if you need it. Facebook shares 3 steps for uploading reels here. They said decide what your reel will be about, use a relatable topic, create an outline, or sketch out frames of what your final concept will look like. Establish a creative voice. Define a voice that showcases your business's personality and separates you from others with a consistent format and theme. And build an element of surprise. Amaze, excite, and inspire your audience with your content. Solid advice. All right, now part 2 of the starter pack is to better your reels and reach more people. Facebook said, looking to create reels that stand out from your competitors? Next time you create a reel, try experimenting with features like audio, speed, and AR effects to make your content more engaging. Which, yeah, sure, makes sense. But a lot of you watching are probably like, I'm already doing that. I understand. The key is to avoid using those features just for the sake of using them. You should only be using them if they play a purpose in making the reel funnier, more educational, more inspiring, or more valuable. This is where getting familiar with what's trending in your personal time becomes useful. The way the Facebook and Instagram algorithms work is they show your reel to a few people, gauge their initial responses to it, and either show your reel to more people or don't, depending on how the initial response was. Did they watch it all the way through? Did they like it? Did they skip it completely? Did they hit show less or show more on it? Facebook and Instagram both pay attention to all of these signals. So the key to getting snowballed views and growth on your reels is to capture that initial audience. How do you capture them? By having great content. How do you have great content? By running all of your reels by this checklist. Does it provide value to your audience in the form of education, entertainment, or a combination called edutainment? Or is its value in helpfulness? Meaning, does it help your audience accomplish a goal they have or solve a problem they're struggling with as it relates to your product or service? Is it short and sweet? Does it draw them in the very first second? Is it using trendy songs, effects, verbiage, skits, etc. that the audience is familiar with on Facebook or Instagram? If you're not ticking the boxes on some of those things, you have some work you can do for your reels. Now, I will say that if you'd rather just let a professional handle all of your short video marketing for you instead so that you don't have to worry about it, we do that for small businesses every day. So if you'd like a free custom marketing proposal along with a quote, fill out our contact form. I've linked it below. All right, now the third and final part of this Reels Growth Starter Pack is to incorporate Reels into your ads strategy. Facebook said advertising with Reels is a great way to introduce your brand to new customers around the world. There are a few ways you can work with Reels ads. I show you how to set up Reels ads on Instagram for beginners here. For Facebook, if you're familiar with setting up Facebook ads, You just want to make sure you've got the Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels placement selected on the ad set level, and then select the vertical video you want to advertise on the ad level. Now, if you're watching and you're like, I have no idea what she's talking about, and you've never really run Facebook ads, I will link this video for you to watch next. Either way, whether you run Instagram Reel ads or Facebook Reels ads or both, you're essentially putting advertising dollars behind your Reels to further their reach, and therefore, if you've done everything else right, furthering their views and engagement too. And in the process of doing that, you'll garner targeted brand awareness. And that's key, right? Because the goal is to fuel the top of your sales funnel with targeted viewers from your Reels so that you can retarget them and move them down your funnel until they become a loyal customer. I'll see you guys in the next episode.